Good afternoon, guys. My name is Elizabeth Huffman, and I'm going to show you my website that I have designed for my portfolio. This is week 6 in my web design portfolio, and this is how far I've gotten so far, especially with responsiveness. This is my photo that I go back and forth with myself and then between my two kids. I look nothing like that photo anymore, the first one, as I've been growing out my hair. But I just want to say, my name is Elizabeth Huffman. I'm 25 years old, and I currently attend DeVry University until August 27th. I started school with a business degree, but it wasn't challenging enough for me. So I ended up switching to criminal justice, and criminal justice made me sad. It wasn't really I was intrigued, but I wasn't. It just so upset me. And then after a while, I think I took a break for almost a year and a half to 2 years, and I was like, you know what? I was always interested in designing my own things and seeing my graphic design and going to the logos part done. Did that for myself. So I handmade wax melts again that I did, and an HDE event for my friend. Well, this is a Huffy Melts, the regular logo, Pride Month. And then go with the websites. I have done this website class project that I did on Lizzie's reptile film. Oh my god! And I got my ability to do a website. I have the number. What do that the contact a web designer phone number, and I have it that at my Facebook updated. This has been a lot. This is a new, but it's definitely I got this station to actually I got that in.